alive! What are you doing, fishy? You flapping still? You're alive! Woo! Go with your buddies in the oh my god, this is like a massacre, right? There's just fish lying all over the boat. Just stealing some for the buckies. So what do you guys do with them? Chum them?
Can't tell you.
Can't tell me? The boat's making something at least. Oh boy. Look at this. They're just everywhere. Oh my god. Yo, look at this. They're everywhere.
It's a massacre.
It is a massacre.
Hey, you feel better? Yeah. A little bit? Yeah. Thank you very much. Oh, no problem, man.
A lot of it.
I feel bad that you guys were all sick. It's fucked up. Dude, it got warm as hell out. Yeah. I like that.
Come on, John.
I don't know.
Build the massacre. Make it come.
It's more the smell of that stuff that they come throwing, yeah. You don't go fishing, dude. Huh? You don't go fishing, dude. No. I'm like, dude. You're probably not going to go fishing again, are you? Next summer, once.
Whoa, he's got to walk over the dead fish.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah!
Put it on YouTube.
Nah, dude. Come on, man. Flap for me. Do something. Nah?
Tickle his chin.
Just tickle his chin. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. We got a fish, Johnny? Nah. Is he down there somewhere? Oh, wow. Whoa! Don't get my camera wet, fish. Woo! No, that ain't no pot winner. Maybe if you get home you could buy some pot, but that's about it. Bring them up more, John. Woo! Whoa! He doesn't like being out of the water.